Yo guys, what's up? It's Malawi and welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to name your channel. So if you want to learn how to, remember to stick around till the end of the video. Also remember to hit that subscribe button because it's free and it only takes 2 seconds. Just to let you know, if you're a gaming channel, go and check the timestamps in the comments because this video is separated into 3 sections. This section is for how to name a bunch of channels like vlogging, beauty, DIY, life hacks, and tech. So the first tip that I have for you on naming your channel is make it relate to your content. What I mean by that is like make it relate to what you post if you even have posted yet, or make it relate to what you want to post. Next tip, it may be something related to your real life name, or it can just be your real name. For example, like Jason Vlogs or like Viola's Life Hacks. And it may be related to where you live. For example, Malawi OG. Malawi's a place in Africa. Anyway, for the next thing that you can use is like a nickname that your friends or family gave you. I probably wouldn't choose a nickname that my mom or dad gave me, or else I would like end up with like pumpkin or like honey mustard or something like that. Anyway, that's all the tips that I have for you guys. Now on to the gaming channels. So first tip for the gamer guys and the gamer girls, make your name relate to the game you play. For example, like X Gamer Overwatch, or like X Gamer COD, or like X Gamer like whatever game. Next tip is again a nickname that your friends and family gave you. Now, gaming channels have a bigger advantage because they have gamer tags, and they made their gamer tags, which means that you can use your gamer tag as a channel name. Also, if you're that type of person, you can just like generate a name, and you can just use an abbreviation of your gamer tag if your gamer tag is really long. For example, MXOG. And that's the end, guys. I mean, you did watch this far, and if you're not subscribed, you should subscribe because it's good for your health. And if you don't, so help me, I will delete your Steam account. But anyway, I would really appreciate it if you drop a sub and a like, and that's it. Roll the outro? Yeah, outro. Roll the outro. Let's go.